بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والذاريات ذروا.
By the oath of those winds which cause scattering, flying.
فالحاملات بقرا.
Then by the oath of those which carry the burdens of clouds.
فالجاريات يسرا.
Then by the oath of those ships which move with ease.
فالمقسمات أمرا.
Then by the oath of those groups of angels who distribute by command.
إنما توعدون لصادق.
Undoubtedly, what you are promised is definitely true.
وإن الدين لواقع.
And undoubtedly, justice will certainly be done.
والسماء ذات الحبك.
And by the oath of the decorated heaven.
إنكم لفي قول مختلف.
You are in various contradictions.
يؤفك عنه من أفك.
Only he is made to turn away from the Quran who is destined to be turned away.
قتل الخراصون.
Death to those who falsely assume.
الذين هم في غمرة ساهون.
Those who have forgotten the hereafter in the intoxication of ignorance.
يسألون أيان يوم الدين.
They ask, when will be the day of justice?
يوم هم على النار يفتنون.
O beloved, say to them, it will be on that day when they will be burning in the fire.
ذوقوا فتنتكم هذا الذي كنتم به تستعجلون.
And it will be said to them, taste your own burning. This is what you were hastening to.
إن المتقين في جنات وعيون.
Indeed, the pious are in gardens and springs.
آخذين ما آتاهم ربهم إنهم كانوا قبل ذلك محسنين.
Receiving the rewards granted by their Lord, they were indeed virtuous before this.
كانوا قليلا من الليل ما يهجعون.
They would sleep less during the night.
وبالأسحار هم يستغفرون.
And would seek forgiveness in the latter part of the night.
وفي أموالهم حق للسائل والمحروم.
And in their wealth, there was the right of the beggar and the deprived.
وفي الأرض آيات للموقنين.
And in the earth are signs for those who are certain in their faith.
وفي أنفسكم أفلا تبصرون.
And in your own selves are signs, so do you not perceive?
وفي السماء رزقكم وما توعدون.
And in the heavens is your sustenance and that which you are promised.
فورب السماء والأرض إنه لحق مثل ما أنكم تنطقون.
So by the Lord of the heavens and the earth, this Quran is indeed the truth in exactly the same language that you speak.
هل أتاك حديث ضيف إبراهيم المكرمين.
Did the news of Ibrahim's honorable guests reach you, O beloved?
إذ دخلوا عليه فقالوا سلاما. قال سلام قوم منكرون.
When they came to him and said, Salam, he also answered Salam and said, these people are strangers.
فراغ إلى أهله فجاء بعجل سمين.
Then he went to his home, so he brought a healthy roasted calf.
فقربه إليهم قال ألا تأكلون.
He then presented it before them and said, "Do you not eat?"
فأوجس منهم خيفة قالوا لا تخف وبشروه بغلام عليم.
So he inwardly began fearing them. They said, "Do not fear." And they gave him the glad tidings of a knowledgeable son.
فأقبلت امرأته في صرة فصكت وجهها وقالت عجوز عقيم.
His wife came screaming, then struck her forehead and said, "What? An old infertile woman will give birth to a child?"
قالوا كذلك قال ربك إنه هو الحكيم العليم.
They said to the wife of Ibrahim, "This is how your Lord has commanded. Indeed, only He is the wise, the all-knowing."
قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون.
Said Ibrahim, "So, for what purpose have you come, O angels?"
قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين.
They said, "We have been sent towards a sinful nation,
لنرسل عليهم حجارة من طين
that we may throw upon them stones of baked clay,
مسومة عند ربك للمسرفين.
which are marked, kept ready with your Lord for the transgressors."
فأخرجنا من كان فيها من المؤمنين.
So we removed the people who had faith from that town,
فما وجدنا فيها غير بيت من المسلمين.
so there we found just one Muslim household,
وتركنا فيها آية للذين يخافون العذاب الأليم.
and we kept a sign remaining therein for those who fear the painful punishment.
وفي موسى إذ أرسلناه إلى فرعون بسلطان مبين.
And also kept a sign in Musa when we sent him with clear proof towards Fir'aun.
فتولى بركنه وقال ساحر أو مجنون.
Consequently, he turned away along with his army and said, "He, Musa, is a magician or a madman."
فأخذناه وجنوده فنبذناهم في اليم وهو مليم.
We henceforth seized him and his army and put them into the river in the state that he was blaming himself.
وفي عاد إذ أرسلنا عليهم الريح العقيم.
And in the tribe of Ad is a sign when we sent a dry windstorm upon them.
ما تذر من شيء أتت عليه إلا جعلته كالرميم.
And whatever it passed through, it caused it to turn to ruin.
وفي ثمود إذ قيل لهم تمتعوا حتى حين.
And there's a sign in the nation of Thamud when it was said to them, "Enjoy for a while."
فاعتوا عن أمر ربهم فأخذتهم الصاعقة وهم ينظرون.
So they rebelled against the command of their Lord. A thunderbolt therefore seized them in front of their eyes.
فما استطاعوا من قيام وما كانوا منتصرين.
So they were neither able to stand up nor were they able to take revenge.
وقوم نوح من قبل إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
And before them we destroyed the nation of Nuh. Indeed, they were sinning people.
والسماء بنيناها بأيد وإنا لموسعون.
And we have built the heaven with the hands of divine power, and it is we who give vastness.
والأرض فرشناها فنعم الماهدون.
And we spread out the earth, so how excellent we are at spreading it.
ومن كل شيء خلقنا زوجين لعلكم تذكرون.
And we created all things in pairs that you may ponder.
ففروا إلى الله إني لكم منه نذير مبين.
So run towards Allah. Indeed, I am from Him a clear warner for you.
ولا تجعلوا مع الله إلها آخر إني لكم منه نذير مبين.
And do not associate other deities along with Allah. Indeed, I am from Him a clear warner for you.
كذلك ما أتى الذين من قبلهم من رسول إلا قالوا ساحر أو مجنون.
Likewise, when a messenger came to those before them, so they said this, that he is a magician or a madman.
أتواصوا به بل هم قوم طاغون.
Did they make a will of this utterance to one another? Rather, they are rebellious people.
فتول عنهم فما أنت بملوم.
Therefore, turn away from them, O beloved, so there is no blame upon you.
وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
And give advice that giving advice benefits the Muslims.
وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون.
And I have created jinn and human beings only for this, that they should worship me.
ما أريد منهم من رزق وما أريد أن يطعمون.
I do not ask any sustenance from them, nor do I want that they give me food.
إن الله هو الرزاق ذو القوة المتين.
Indeed, only Allah is the great provider, the mighty, the powerful.
فإن للذين ظلموا ذنوبا مثل ذنوب أصحابهم فلا يستعجلون.
And indeed, for those wrongdoers is a turn of punishment, like there was a turn for their companions in disbelief. So they must not ask me to hasten the punishment.
فويل للذين كفروا من يومهم الذي يوعدون.
So, woe to the disbelievers from the coming of that day of theirs, which they are promised.
صدق الله العظيم.